Hi everyone, and welcome to Bibbidi Bobbidi Creations, where I will be doing mostly Dollar Tree DIYs. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here and you love to create fun and easy DIYs on a budget, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will know whenever I share another awesome DIY. Today, I will be making this amazing kitchen wall decor using items from the Dollar Tree. So let's jump right into this project. Items I will be using is this gather sign from the Dollar Tree, this wooden spoon and fork, 3 shadow boxes, and 1 plate. So I took these 3 shadow boxes. I just removed some of the decorations and I sanded off the glitter that was in the front of the shadow boxes before the video. I will be painting these shadow boxes 3 different colors. First is a dark gray Waverly chalk paint, making sure that I paint the entire box. Now, I'm going to add some white to the gray to lighten the color for the second shadow box. What I did was I compared this shadow box to the darker gray, and then I added more white if I needed to be a lighter color. Now this next color is a peacock blue Waverly chalk paint. I really love this color. I set them to the side to let them dry. Then I take the letters I cut out from my Cricut and I gave it a coat of white paint. So now I am drawing lines on a shadow box for a wooden plank texture. I am using a Sharpie marker that I got from Walmart. I took a dry brush and I used some white in a lighter gray and I just went over the boxes just lightly. Then I went back over them with the marker. And I just sand them down to blend in the lines. Then I take my letters and I arrange them on the top. and I use Mod Podge to glue them down. You can use a hot glue if you want. And I set them to the side to let them dry. Now I took the spoon and a fork, removed the tacks, and I gave it a coat of peacock blue, making sure that I paint the entire thing. Getting the sides as well. So after it dried, I noticed that the holes wasn't painted. So I used a Q-tip to paint inside the holes. And also between the spaces of the fork. And I set it to the side to let it dry. Now I took the gather sign that I got from the Dollar Tree and I removed the string from the back and gave it a coat of the dark gray. And I painted the entire word, making sure that I get all the loops and curves covered and coated in the paint. Then I took some white in like a lighter gray and dry brushed it over the top of the paint. Now I took my plate and I painted it gray as well, making sure that I get over the textures of the plate. After it dried, I just took a dry brush and some white paint and I brushed it over to distress it a little. Then I took the letters I cut out and gave it a coat of the peacock blue. After it was dry, I used a Mod Podge to glue it on the plate. Again, you can use hot glue if you want. Then I took a paper towel and dabbed off the excess glue. Then I got some burlap and I made a nice little bow to place in the middle of my plate. And then I hot glue it on. Okay, here it is on my wall display. I really love the way that this came out. The colors together was so cute and refreshing. That peacock blue really pairs well with the grays. So if you like this DIY, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for Bibbidi Bobbidi Creations for more DIYs. Thank you so much for watching.